In this video tutorial, I want to share with you how to translate your YouTube video into any language of your choice. So to start with, let me open my channel, assuming this is my channel, and I need to create a new upload. I have just uploaded a video. Just create upload and fill in all the relevant details, the title, the description, and I've uploaded a thumbnail, and I specify the playlist, and then I put in some basic tags that can help you rank for the SEO thereabout. So assuming I have put in all this and just moving to the next stage, I've monetized the video, I've accepted all this, and I've added my end screen and add cards over here. I've added everything. So the next thing is just to move on, make sure everything is done in terms of copyright check and ad suitability. And the final stage is to publish my video. So assuming I want to publish this very video that I have done in English language, I may decide to publish it now, but then I want to schedule it for another time. Maybe I'll publish it today and at this time, let's say by 12 p.m. Okay, 12 p.m. and I set it as a premiere. Okay, so once I say schedule, and this post is going to go on my schedule, and it's going to be go in public after that time, that specified time that I have selected. Now I am free to share my video on all of these platforms that I have, which I will do. I'll just share it on Twitter, share it on Facebook, and share it on Pinterest as well. Basically, this is where I share my video. And once we are done, we're back to the content, and you can see the video that I have just shared. So the next thing that I would like to do if I want to translate this is I can go to the subtitles over here. You can come to subtitles. You can select that specific video. You can see it has only one language, while other videos have at least 8 languages. So you can select this very one, still on the subtitle. You just give it some time, maybe after like 5 to 10 minutes, then you come back and then you can see a different thing over here. All right, so once you come back to the videos, okay, you can come to subtitles over here, and you will notice that this one has changed to 2 languages, which means Google has already automatically translated to English. So you can just select this particular one, and you can come all the way over here and say duplicate and edit. Once you click on duplicate and edit, you're going to see it has been translated to English complete. You can see the translation. You can go through it if you want and check out some editings if you want. You can check edit timings over here, and you can edit the various content accordingly how the AI translated everything. But I think Google does a very good job in the translation. Usually I have gone through it and very minimal error in the translation, especially in English language. What you need to do is just to accept this and come over here and say publish, or you can check the timeline as well and see the preview of the translation. You can just come all the way and say publish, and this is going to be published as your translated language, English. So if you want to add any other language, you can just come all the way here and just add languages. For example, in my own case, you can see the top 10 languages of the people watching my videos around the world. The first is Hindi, second is English, next is Filipino, next is Punjabi and Arabic, Indonesian, and all that. Okay, these are the top 10 websites, top 10 countries watching my videos. So if you want to add a given language, because the video is already translated to English, it becomes very easy to translate to other languages as well. I just come to add a language and select within the range of languages that you have around the world. For example, I may want to have to add in Hindi. I want to add Hindi, and I can just come over, add Hindi. I want to add Filipino, for example, Filipino. You can see Filipino over here. I want to add Punjabi. You can see Punjabi over here. I may want to add Hausa. You can see Hausa language over here, and the next language I do add is Arabic, and you can see Arabic over here. All right, so once you've selected all the languages you want to add, you can just come to the add button over here and you click on it, and it's going to pop up that you need to translate the language from English to that selected language. All right, so once you get to this point, you can come all the way here. You can do auto translate. You can upload your own translation. If you have it done manually, you can try to upload it But what I usually do, I just come to auto translate, because like I said, Google does a good job in terms of the translation. So you just click on Google auto translate over here, and you can see the translation in Hindi, very nicely done. If you are a Hindi person, you can try to read through and you can see the difference. It really does a good job in terms of the translation. So once you go through everything, you don't even need to go through sometimes. You can just come all the way here and say publish, because this is going to be very helpful to your viewers in India and Hindi speaking countries. Okay, so you can see it over here. It's been published. You can do the same for all the other languages. For example, Filipino, you can just click to add and you can come to auto translate over here, and you can see the translation done very fast. Like I said, because it's been done in English, so it becomes very easy to auto translate to any other language. You can just come over and hit on publish, and you can see it over here. At any given point, if you want to edit, you can just come over, click on edit and edit it. You can see it's been published. I do the same for all the other languages as well. Auto translate and just come to publish. I do for Hausa also, same, auto translate and come to publish. And the last one is Arabic. Auto translate, and you can see it, everything in Arabic. Okay, then publish. Now basically this is how I do to translate my videos to any language of my choice, so people watching my content from that particular country or from that particular location can have ease of understanding in following through my instructions and the key details that I'm trying to explain in terms of the content. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.